So this is called a cat-cow stretch. So really good for tight backs. There are variations in a chair, so ask your coach if you're not able to get onto the floor. So all you're going to do is get down onto your knees. You're going to walk your hands directly underneath your shoulder. Notice I'm in a perfect box square here. When I go to stretch, I'm basically shoving my belly button into my spine and pushing it all the way to the ceiling as high as I can. Feel that openness. Hold. You can hold it up for 10 seconds, and then I want you to do the opposite. Drop it. I'm getting back to what we call neutral spine. Now I'm going to drop it below. I'm pushing my butt back toward the back wall, and I'm letting my belly sink down. This is your cow. And then raise back up. I would go slow, feel the pull. Again, go back and forth. You can make the holds on opposite ends as you feel comfortable. 10 seconds or so is probably more than enough. And then you're just opening up and relaxing back down.